Kipat ba jong ka Meghalaya kamtam lele ki samla ki barung shiki kam yasat mukot duma kum ki muktiar ha ki ying kashari district court high court supreme court bat gitu ki barung kam kum ki start an ha ki bang ki karkhana he seng bat ki we ki lat yo kam yo jam minta ki la yo e ka kabuk siar ban pintebet shu ha kani kalan haba menteri rangba konrat ke sangma ulapli ka national law university hamayur bhanj nong thamai ha ka pratarik unaitung ha ka lang baladan lang Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Usanjib Banerjee, Education Minister Rakam E Sangma, but Vice Chancellor kani ka school ba bathamai Professor Indrajit Dubey. Ha ka jing kren pli u Konrad ula banjur ya ka jing dan kamban bo bet bo renti ha ki jing tho bat ki kot ki dustur ki riti jong ki jat ben riu lo kani ka jilla bat jong ka than bat kari India hi barok away. Ulapin pau ik jing ang not bakani ka school ba bathamai NLU kan long ka shlem jing hikai bat jing tip bakin sa ye ki an ki kanun tin rai jing ki riulom hakani ka than ulo ong ru ka jing wan ra ka NLU ya ka jing pulie bala milai lang ye ki phang sayen bat ki phang jing ki an kan long ka wei na ka jing pulie bathamai hakani ka jok kani ka phang jing start kan play ka jing batai batikna ye ka jing a day hapring ka sayen bat ka an Menteri rangba ula kular ban ai ka jingkershan borba ya ke NLU nadu minta haduk ki por bandangwan.
Especially in the last 5 years. In the state of Meghalaya, we have seen that a huge emphasis has been laid on infrastructure development. We have realized as a state government that without having the basic infrastructures in many areas, it is difficult to make things happen. Now, we are not saying that we have changed everything. It can't. It takes time. There's a lot of investment to be made, a lot of challenges in front of us. But there has been a very strong and concerted effort to give that kind of a push to infrastructure. And I'm happy to tell you that today the Captain Williamson Summer College is getting a new building. It is almost on the verge of completion. It's not just that college. Many other colleges which we have provincialized finally got the buildings in 2018-19. We sanctioned them. And so on and so forth in almost every sector. Be it roads, be it schools. You'll be surprised to know that in the last 45 years, the 2,500 plus government LP schools which we have, no major investment has been made in these school buildings because of financial constraints and challenges. So in the last 5 years, we have actually taken steps to either give new buildings or completely renovate every single school, and the process is on. And within this financial year, I expect that all the government LP schools, the 2,500 plus, will have a new building or the repair of the old buildings will be done. You will be sometimes sad to see when you go to these villages that there are no roofs on these school buildings. And these are the kind of things that motivate us to really push and get things done. So whether it's the education sector, whether it's the road sector, whether it's any other infrastructure areas, water sector, we have seen many things and investments that have been done because we have felt that without the necessary infrastructure, we will not be able to achieve the kind of goals that we have in mind.